previously on the Forged Maker. My word, that last one ended a bit dramatically. It's all an act. All of it is a performance. Well, not all of it, but you know, things do go wrong. And I was like, yeah, no, that's a good place to leave it. In this episode, the body is complete. So I've decided to go with unarticulating wings. The head. That is what we are working on now. You might think, oh look, it's not even standing properly. That is because I've not bent the legs yet. But I will do that after I put the head on. Might be skew, but it will do. So I was gonna use the forge, but no, it started to smell like propane. Bruh. And I'm pretty sure I breathed in a full lung. So structurally I have three things left to do. The first is to just fix up the face a bit, and once that is fixed then I need to attach it to the mantis itself, which is going to be such a nice step to do because it's going to bring it all together. And then of course the legs, I need to warm up the joints and bend them to where they need to go. Step. Okay, good, that was flipped. I was just like, I'm gonna have dead space and you like right on my shoulder. Hey, baby. Ooh, I wanna know. Anyways, over here, to my left and or right, depending on which way this comes out in the edit, we have...
Mohammed, also known as Mo.
Yes. He's going to be helping me with the bending of the legs. So I'm going to give him the big tool and welcome him to the channel. He's going to get fired. See, when it starts sparking like that, then you know you have melting temperature, which is like super
top of his head.
So I've got two things left to do. The first is to clean up the face, and then the second is to wire wheel and polish the entirety of the piece, and then the reveal.